Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you on how to create a new project setup in Filmora 14. So for instance, you have your environment right there. You have aspect ratio to be 6 by 9. You can decide to change aspect ratio to 9 by 6. You have it in short format. So if you switch back to your 16 by 9, it's being a new project. You can click on more right here. You have different types of aspect ratio right here. However, we want to create an aspect ratio for a project layout for 16 by 9. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on new project. And this is going to pump up right here. Once you click on new project, then you can start creating your project right here. You can as well decide to change your aspect ratio. So for you to change your aspect ratio, go ahead and hit on file right here. Then you can go ahead and click on new. Then here you have another project size right here. You can decide to switch to 9 by 16 and it's going to automatically switch. You can go back to file, new project, then you can decide to switch back to your first screen right here. It's that simple. So this is how to set up a new project file in Filmora 14. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.